Greetings everyone, this is Danny from hartravel.com, your luxury all-inclusive experts, and today I'm at the beautiful Sandals Halcyon Beach. Now this particular category is a Grande Luxe club level with a fantastic Tranquility Soaking Tub out there on the patio. We'll show you all of that and everything about the club level amenities. Follow along as we tour the room. Right here to my right, you're gonna see a writing desk. You've got two US plugs, two USBs, and a UK plug. Keep in mind in Saint Lucia, they use the UK plug, so I always bring a couple extras so I can take advantage of all of the plugs in the room. You've got your phone there, and of course this is the side table for the bed. On the other side, you're gonna find a UK plug, a US plug, and also a Bluetooth speaker. Now you see you have a large king size bed, one of those signatures of Sandals resorts. You've got a fan up above, I love that. And directly across, you're gonna find your large flat panel TV. Now this is an interactive TV, so you can stream from your own devices, you can watch television or see what's going on throughout the resort. Now underneath you'll have a little bit more storage, and right over here I'm going to show you the first of the club level amenities that we're going to talk about. Now keep in mind that your club level experience starts even before you get to your room. As soon as you arrive here on site, you're going to head directly to the Club Sandals lounge, and you can utilize it throughout your entire stay. They'll check you in there, you get to meet with the fantastic concierges. They can help with reservations and all kinds of different things throughout your stay. You're gonna love working with them, and you can also check out games. There's some other fun things that you can do in the lounge. Now, for being club level, you're also gonna get the full-size liquor bottles here. Underneath, you're gonna have your fully stocked mini fridge with beer, wine, sodas, juices, bottled water, and of course, your favorite mixers. See here, this is a honeymoon couple that they put this together for us. They got champagne on ice. You've got several other honeymoon amenities, breakfast in bed. There's a few others, but we'll go through all of that with you when we book your wonderful honeymoon experience here at Halcyon. Right around the corner, you're gonna have your storage. So right here, open this up for you. Back there, you're gonna have an iron and ironing board, extra pillows and blankets. You've got those fantastic comfy robes. Those are one of those club level amenities. Your golf umbrella and a full-size laptop safe. As we head into the bathroom, I did want to point out there's a door here to give you that extra level of privacy. You've got the toilet tucked around the corner there. And then right here, you're gonna see that you have a pretty large backlit mirror. You've got your magnifying mirror here, vanity, and then underneath, you're gonna find your hair dryer. You also have extra towels and the full-size bath amenities from the Red Lane Spa. As I step into the shower here, it's quite a bit of space. I'm a big guy. I like the bench seat there, the nook for those amenities. And then right here, you're gonna have your shower head. Let's head outside and check out the patio. Now we're out at your private patio. You have the beautiful Tranquility Soaking Tub right here. You've got your table and two chairs. Now another one of those fantastic club level amenities is that you're gonna get complimentary in-room dining every day from early in the morning until later in the evening. You're gonna love all of those different club level amenities. It's well worth the upgrade for most of our customers. And when you are ready to become one of our customers and book this incredible room or any at Sandals or Beaches Resorts, reach out to Harr Travel. We are your luxury all-inclusive experts. We know the spaces inside and out, and we have an amazing relationship with Sandals and Beaches Resorts, and we know that we can craft the vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, group, wedding party, or honeymoon at an incredible value.